I've been waiting for this for a very, very long time, and I'm so excited to show you guys. Yes, you guys probably guessed it. I bought myself a cold air intake from Takeda. So it comes with the stickers, a bunch of parts for it, instructions, everything. I'm gonna get started as soon as this engine bay starts cooling down. The only tools you'll need for this is you can get pliers, 16 mil, and a 10 mil. You're gonna have to remove this whole box, so you're gonna have to take out all this 10 mil bolts. I have this plugged in, but if you guys don't have it plugged in, you will have little holes going down to your blow-off valve, which you're gonna have to remove that with a plier. You're gonna have to remove this hose right here and the second bolt right here for this whole intake system. I bought an open flow box just because it has much more airflow. I got the oiled cone, so they last a little bit longer and also has a little bit more airflow. So you're gonna start with taking off the bolts. I'm just loosening it with my drill so that it saves me some time. Get these ones out. Now, for you guys might be different. Mine's a pull system. You guys might have to actually push it. If you guys pull it, you're gonna break it, so. Okay, I'm gonna remove this too, just for the sake of making it easier. Shit, I forgot one thing, and the most important thing, the sound before and then after. So I'm gonna put everything back in, and then I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. Okay, finally, fucking hell, holy shit. Alright, the technique to this is to push this left hand, pushing it, and then with my right hand I'm putting it, getting it in an angle, rotating it clockwise. There we go. Holy fuck. That took way longer to take this out than I ever expected. Alright, let's first get this box set up. People warn me that the rubber part will be the hardest. Fuck, it's not going as easy as I wanted. Damn, this is fucking ridiculous. Fuck. Takeda, if you guys are watching this, why don't you guys just put the rubber for us, because this is a waste of time, man. Fuck guys, after fucking struggling for hours of trying to put this rubber in, man, this is the hardest part. It's not like in the video they use a different product. It's gotta be because I can't fucking put it in. As you can see, it's nighttime outside, it's dark. For the life of me, I could not get this stupid rubber seal on. I somehow got it in. Little tip, use a mallet. Don't bash it obviously into the thing because you might break it. But this is what I used, the small mallet, and tapped it along the way, and it kind of went in. Finally, holy crap. I swear I took like maybe 3-4 hours just to get this rubber seal in, because this is ridiculously really hard. First you're going to install the box. Put this clip back in. I'm going to put all of these back. One in here, one behind on the left. And one inside right over here. So you're just gonna push the rubber parts in. This is all rubber, so it goes in like so. There we go. I'm gonna turn this clamp close to me like this so that I can tighten it up once. Okay, so now the next thing is the pipe. And what you're gonna do is apply some of the thread locker weld onto this so it stays put in there, and you're gonna tighten it with a 16 mil wrench. I'm gonna apply it all around here. Then I'm gonna apply some here. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's a little bit of a gap between this and here, and that's perfectly normal. So next step is to put the coupler on. I'm gonna try to have it so that I have the logo out like this. So the smaller side into the turbo inlet, bigger sides into the cold air intake. Alright, here comes the last step. It's the moment of truth. I'm gonna put this guy. Okay, last part. Alright, so here is the final product of this beautiful cold air intake. I wouldn't see cold air, I would see more short ram. But here is the product. So two things I'm going to mention on this product right here. This rubber seal is absolutely crap, and you'll need a rubber mallet to pound this in all the way around so that it stays in. Even at that, it kind of never goes fully in. That's one hard thing about this one. Second thing, this is totally my fault for not reading the instructions properly. But this guy right here is completely normal, and I kind of over tightened it. So beware of that. But besides that, this thing is a beauty, and you kind of feel, I don't know if it's placebo, maybe not, but I feel a huge amount of torque. One of my favorite purchases for this. Alright, now here's a sound from a cold start. That's the kind of sound that you'll be hearing. You hear that little noise, the suction noise that it's making, sucking in all the air, and then at the end you hear the little turbo. But besides that, there's not much noise difference. Not in a significant level, at least. So this is purely performance.